Are you able to hear me talking? How is the audio? Please comment. Am I audible, Sambat ji? Can you hear me speaking into the microphone? Am I audible now? Please respond. Anyone copying me? You can see from this map on GPredict that the space station has started arising above the horizon. This is the International Space Station, you can see here. And there is also another satellite there that is about to set, that is RS-44 is there, that's about to set. I am trying to see whether I can acquire some signals from the space station. I am not thinking of RS-44. You can see that the GPredict window is showing the space station only, ISS. The azimuth is 244 degrees. I have pointed my antenna to 270. Ideally, I should have pointed the fixed antenna to the highest elevation, that will be around 300 degrees, that is north, almost towards the north. North is 360, so it should be between west and north. So it's a northwest, that is the maximum elevation region. I have not been able to point there because I have a huge concrete structure there at that site, so I won't be able to point there. It's already 3 minutes into the pass. I have not heard anything so far. I am going one step down by Doppler. Doppler tuning is like that. You can see that I have gone one step down. You will see it in the screen soon. That is 437.805 megahertz. Now the satellite is, the slant distance is 920 kilometers. It's coming down because it is approaching us by about 12:20. Now it's 12:19. 12:20 it will be the nearest approach. But I am not hearing anything. Maybe the concrete structure is blocking, because I can get only a very small part of this pass. That is how my location is there. There is concrete blocking the pass. I just wanted to demonstrate the way it is checked. First is tracking using the location can be tracked by the software. This is GPredict amateur software, and that will show the azimuth and elevation. Now the elevation is probably maximum 32 degrees it's showing. So this is the nearest point, but I have not heard anything so far. It's also possible that nobody will be trying to work the repeater, but then it may not be. The other reason may be that my setup is not good enough to pick up signals from a low elevation pass. Moreover, there is concrete structure blocking between my antenna, which is a Moxon Yagi. You can see the picture there in the profile picture, and the satellite. So I think this pass I am not going to get anything. Yesterday there was a similar pass on the opposite side. I got 2 stations from India, one from Bangalore and another from Tamil Nadu. And I could hear also a couple of Thailand stations, but unfortunately the software features there, when I listened afterwards, it was only the water flowing like sound which I heard. Today we are not lucky to have somebody listening or transmitting. This GPredict software will also show the Doppler correction needed. If I move downwards, it shows the altitude. The lowest altitude is the altitude of the satellite above Earth, and Doppler, it is minus 1.5 kilohertz, 400. This is 437, so it should be about 5 times that. So I have kept it down below, I sent it to 437.795, but today I am not lucky, I am not hearing anything, and moreover the concrete water tank is also blocking everything. So I think I'll have to try my luck on a pass on the other side, opposite side. This is a western pass for me. I think I should try for an eastern pass because of blocking structures. So almost towards the end of the pass, you can see the satellite has gone very much below. Yes, Sambat, the audio is not very high, partly because the hissing noise is probably suppressing the microphones. That could be another reason. Thanks a lot, Sambatji, for giving me the feedback live. I'll try to improve it for the next pass another day, because this pass, due to tremendous blocking of the water tank, I am not likely to get anything. After all, the satellite is going to set. You can see the polar map here. This is the polar map. It's at a very low elevation now. Just 9 degrees. Actually, this is the best time for DXing. I should have, if yesterday I got at 5 degrees. I heard a current station at 5 degrees. But today, my antenna is now almost 90 degrees away from the satellite region. So I have no luck today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll wait for a few more minutes and then I'd like to conclude the session. Sorry that I could not put up a good show because I got a 5-1. That means the signals coming out are not very good for the live stream. Anyway, this is our trial. It was a difficult trial because I have to stream from the radio through the mobile phone into one stream. Then secondary stream will contain the GPredict and the window showing the pass direction from n2io.com, and then there is also tertiary stream on another channel. So it's a very complicated procedure, doing all with single-handedly, and rotating the antenna is another question which is not possible because during live stream I cannot go upstairs and then onto the terrace and rotate the antenna. So just establish that it is possible to stream, but unfortunately the audio which you are hearing is not much because somebody has given 5-1 report. Anyway, I'll review the audio after I finish this stream and then see what can be done for the next stream tomorrow. Yesterday, the copy was everything good. Copy means stations are received very well, but unfortunately the stream was not good. It was just water flowing sound heard on the stream. Not even my voice was there, leave alone the satellite signals. So thanks a lot everyone who has watched and given me feedback. We'll meet you for another better live stream another day, probably on an eastern pass. Hopefully get some dates on that pass also. Please wish me good luck as well. Bye bye. I'm stopping the live stream.